Hey, Ruben is here, and this channel is all about to help you understand world of link building and SEO processes. Let's understand how we can clean up your data exported from Ahrefs. Before starting, please note that all these steps are adjustable for your strategy. First things first, let's import the data to the Google spreadsheet. Once your data is loaded, you will notice that there are a ton of columns, but we need to keep only 4 of them. So in the end, we are keeping 4 columns: content title, content URL, domain rating, and website traffic. Next step, let's clean the A column and pass here the function for the root domains. So you can see the function here and adjust it if needed. So this is what we have now, and it's time to talk about strategy. We know that all these rows are containing blog pages with our preferred keyword. We can check URLs and content titles to approximately understand page types without opening them. For example, top X tools of 2024 or best X tools are listicles. And at this point, you need to understand, are you okay to get backlinks from listicles or not? You should know exactly from which type of content you want to get backlinks. For example, are you fine with getting backlinks from news pages or from landing pages or any other pages? So remove the ones that are not part of your target. For example, at Say9, we are avoiding to getting backlinks from news or magazine websites. Even after exporting data with filtrations in Ahrefs, the result won't be 100% clean. This is why we always compare the exported data with the domains we don't want to reach out, such as partner domains. I will show you how to compare. Use the VLOOKUP function like this. For example, we want to find this list of domains in our data and remove them. Turn the filtration, sort the rows from A to Z, and remove these rows. We always make sure that our client has no backlinks from website from which we provide backlinks. Here's how to do it. Go to the Ahrefs Site Explorer, type your domain, search it, go to the backlinks profile, then backlink, and export the data. By the way, here's the filtration that we are using. We go with dofollow backlinks and 1 link per domain. Export this data and again compare with your outreach data using the same function. This way, you are always securing the unique backlinks. That's it. Now you have a clean data for your outreach campaign. In the next video, we will see how to find the right emails and verify them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next videos.